Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a more.
Okay, so I did not film putting this barstool together. That's one of them. We put it out so you can see it. It's one of the barstools. I put that one together. Came from Amazon, and went ahead and put that together. But I do have two more that I got put together. I filmed these two. I got a total of 3. It comes as a set of, so you can get it as 3, a set of 2, or a set of 4. So I got a set of 3. 1 came by itself and 2 came with it.
Watching you go, I wanted to stop, though I already know it's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Keep lying just to make me feel not lonely. It's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Baby, baby, you're kidding me. I just want you to hold me. Things ain't the same.
Plus my camera is about to go dead. My battery about to go dead in my camera, so, and it's time to go to bed. I will do this one, but you can't see it. I will do this one. That's my last one. So I got a total of 3. I got that one done. I got 2 done. 1 more to go. So I'm gonna call it a night. It is 10:15. Everybody is asleep, and I'm going to bed because I gotta go to work in the morning. So this fan, I don't know if I can zoom in, is gonna get taken down. The fan is gonna be removed. Gonna take that one down, and we're gonna be getting this one installed today. I have to come back once it gets put up. I didn't film the other ones, but we actually got some other ones installed. Got one installed in the office. And then I got 2 installed upstairs. Just a few home updates. We'll actually do more of another update once I get other stuff done. Once that fan is hung, Barstools already put in. I've already placed them in there. They're set up. Once I get my fall decor out, then I would show everything else. But I'm gonna put this phone down. Lord, I'm on my camera. I'm gonna put this camera down so I can get back to work. But I'll come back once the fan has been in. That fan is huge. It is a 72-inch Farmington. I think it came from Lowe's. But it looks good. And with this, you really can't see it right now, but you can actually change the color of the light. Can't really see it because it's sun out. But the color of the light is changing. You can change from daylight to warm.
You don't believe us?
To bright.
There's proof right there.
Which is so cute. And then you just turn the light off.
Was it me or is that animation pretty sick?
And that's it. So got the fan installed. Now I can decorate the house for fall. Got my fan done, so now I can decorate. Ooh, I look pale. But now I can decorate the house for fall now. I like that. That's crazy how much of a difference that fan looks compared to the fan that came, the builder fan, the fan that came in the house. It's like, the much money you spend on these houses, they just give you builder grade everything. But it's best to just get your stuff aftermarket because you can get it for a better price. But I got the fan done. I'm not on lunch yet, so let me get back to work and then I'll talk a little more later. Welcome to another vlog, or this could be a part of a whole nother vlog. I don't know at this point. I'm currently editing another vlog that y'all will probably have seen before this vlog. But in this vlog, I was gonna do a decorate with me, but I didn't feel like doing it. I've already decorated. I just show like how everything turned out. Like here is, and my kitchen ain't clean, so I have to show it another time. But this is how everything turned out. You can barely see my little skeleton. I really feel like I should have got a white or gold skeleton because his little black butt is blending in. He is. And then I got this arrangement, and then I got this viral bowl that you can find at CB2. I got I think mine came from Kirkland. Really, Bryson? I think mine came from Kirkland though. But, oh, the bus. I see somebody walking through. But, I mean, somebody with a dog. I seen somebody walking through. I didn't know if it was the girl or not. But let me set this up because I actually got my rug that came. I ordered it from Wayfair. It's heavy. Okay, I got my rug and I ordered it from Wayfair. It's like a cream color. But first, before I do that, I need to vacuum. And once I get through vacuuming, then I'll put the rug down and then y'all be able to see it. So hold up. Let me go get my vacuum cleaner. Really bright.
Hey, Mommy.
What, baby?
Can we go trash?
Go in the trash.
Thank you. Mommy.
I really feel like I can mop myself before I put this.
Let's go to the car. Go try. You play. Speak no evil. Speak no evil. Speak no evil. Isn't that in English? Speak no evil. Why don't I go on TV?
Oh, this rug is long.
I have it.
I didn't want one that long. This rug is long. Oh my God. This rug is way longer than I expected. That when I measured for the rug, I was like, okay, it's gonna probably stop in front of my oven and possibly go past my dishwasher. But look at this. This thing go from here, from right here in front of the oven, all the way to the refrigerator. I ain't want no rug that long. Lord. Let me see. And let me vacuum this thing. See if that'll help it lay down before I put the other things on it. Extremely long. Good Lord. Now I probably can't see way back here because I'm way back here. But this rug is so long. I didn't expect it to be that long. Look. All of that work, now I've decided I'm going to return the rug. It is too long. I need a 10. A 2 by 6 by 10. That is a 2 by 6 by 14. I did not think that rug was going to be that long. Should have known that. But let me put this camera down, roll this up so I can take it back and send it back. And I'm gonna go ahead and just order the 2 by 6 by 10 and send this one back and get my money back. So it continues.